Here in Colorado, we are waiting for fall snow, but to our north, there is a chilling sight to show you. Montana is digging out of more than a foot of September snow in the Great Falls area. While it is barely fall, last night Montana's governor declared a winter storm emergency. Thousands lost power. The storm already broke several records, including one set back in 1934.
That was a 3-day record of over 13 inches of snow. We've already had over 14 inches of snow in just 2 days, so that record is pretty much obliterated.
Well, that snowstorm also hit parts of Idaho, and in Spokane, Washington, this is the first time they have recorded snow on this date since they started keeping records back in 1881.
Okay, anybody else so not ready for that? I mean, fall I'm okay with. Winter, I think we need to just pump the brakes a little bit.